electricity on board the van. If you're on electric hookup, you open this flap, plug in the plug, there you go, plug in the plug. See, hopefully this is a very simple job to do, two-handed. There we go, plug in the plug. If the electrical socket plug has been shut properly, it's quite stiff to open, but it's designed that way. If it's not shut properly, then it will flap when you're driving along and could potentially snap off. Okay, inside the vehicle, right, having just plugged the mains in, you get that warning triangle on the bottom to say that there's a fault. In theory, that should disappear in a minute and turn to a plug. I will come back and have a look at it. What you do need to do is to press your power button to turn your electrics inside the van on. The other time you will need to do this is if you've turned the ignition on to the van, it automatically isolates all electrics behind the seats, the cab seats. So everything in the habitation area is switched off. So you just need to switch it back on to reset it. Yep, okay, having finished waffling about that, the warning triangle has gone off. So you are now working on mains power, which means that your fridge can now have that button switched on. So hang on, switch on the fridge and turn on to mains power. So you're not using gas and you're not using your battery. Just turn that off. Should you have any problems with the electricity, you've got a fuse box down there, quite clearly marked, and that's behind the driver's seat on the floor. And in this cupboard, which is the first one on your right as you look to the front, but again behind the driver's seat, you've got the main fuse box, which is just like a household box. And then you've got fuses here. And I don't think you've got anything there that you need to worry about. Again, these are all clearly marked, so if something isn't working, the chances are that one of these fuses has blown. And the mains power switch is there, so you can turn off the power. I don't know why you'd want to, but you can if you need to.